Gesture drawing can be a scam, and it almost made me give up on drawing. I see many beginners fall into the same trap and burn out. So, time to address it. Because you see, when I finally understood that gesture is the best starting point to draw dynamic and accurate figures, I started obsessing over it. I would spend hours upon hours drawing gestures and nothing else. I would fill pages over pages with them. And no matter if they didn't turn out well at the beginning, because I was trusting the process. I repeated to myself, okay, if I keep practicing like this, I will be able one day to draw like the masters. So I doubled down on it. I developed a tunnel vision focusing only on gesture. And honestly, it worked for a while. I started seeing some serious improvement. The problem is that in the meantime I was heading towards an oblivion without even knowing it. Because after a few months of just doing gesture, I burnt out completely. I was so sick of seeing only those damn stickmen. And on top of all this, I felt like I didn't have anything to show for all the work I did. I improved, sure, but not in the way I wanted. And when my friends or family asked me what I was drawing, I was like, I suddenly felt I wasted my time and energy on useless crap. And on top of this, I felt like I had no talent. Honestly, this made me quit completely. Almost. Because I genuinely thought that my goal was to master gesture before moving on to other aspects of figure drawing. And this is the big scam. Because actually you don't need to master any topic before moving on to the next one. Art is a series of skills built on top of each other, and that complete each other. This means that to get good at gesture, or at anything else, you don't need to do only that forever. You need to explore the human figure in all its aspects. For example, when I quit gesture finally to study some simple anatomy, my gestures improved significantly in a short period of time. Something it would never have happened if I just kept doing gesture. So here's what I did instead. And believe it or not, this not only saved me from burnout, but it also made me progress faster. Even if I didn't master gesture in one go, I told myself, okay, I know enough about it for now. Let's move on. And by studying structure, anatomy, perspective, I not only became a better artist overall, but I also improved my gestures as a side effect. To the point where when I came back to gesture after weeks, I was even surprised of myself. Second important thing that I did to avoid gesture drawing burnout, which is a real thing, is to tackle a personal project from time to time. A personal project involving figure drawing. So I could have fun, stop doing just exercises, and apply the things that I learned at the same time, including gesture. So if you start getting tired of gesture, just move on. Don't treat gesture as a chore. This is a question I get asked a lot in my drawing community. And by the way, if you want to join, the link is in the description. And I will see you on my next step.